Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel with another video. So let's start. Our question is 2 raised to the power x plus 4 raised to the power x is equal to 8 raised to the power x. We find the value of x where x is a real number. So let's start. This is a 2 raised to the power x plus it's a 4. So we can write this as a 2 raised to the power 2. And this is a x. So multiply x. The right hand side is 8. We can write 8 as our 2 raised to the power 3, which is also equal to 8, and multiply x. And here we use our exponent property. So we recall a property. As we know, b raised to the power n multiply m, it is equal to b raised to the power m multiply n. So we use this property first of all on this term and after that on this term. So this will become a 2 raised to the power x plus this is a 2 raised to the power x multiply 2. Now the right hand side is 2 raised to the power x multiply 3. And notice that 2 raised to the power x involved in all the terms. So we let a is equal to 2 raised to the power x. So this will become a plus this will become a square. The right hand side will become a cube. And in the next step, if we subtract a raised to the power 3 on both sides of this equation, then we get a plus a square minus a cube. Now the right hand side is 0. A involved in all these terms, so we take it a common. This will become a 1 plus, if we divided this by a, we get a minus, and if we divide a cube by a, then we get a square is equal to 0. So this implies one of them must be equal to 0, a equal to 0, or 1 plus a minus a square is equal to 0. So now look at this, a is equal to 0, and in our question we let that a is equal to 2 raised to the power x. So this implies 2 raised to the power x is equal to 0. And we know that 2 raised to the power x is a exponential function. Therefore, we use the value of a greater than 0, and in our case a is equal to 0. So a equal to 0 is not possible in our case. So now look at this. This is a very familiar equation because answer of this equation is called a golden ratio. So the golden ratio is a is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 5 over 2. And in our question, we let that a is equal to 2 raised to the power x. So this implies 2 raised to the power x is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 5 over 2. So this implies 2 raised to the power is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. And 2 raised to the power is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. Now look at this. This is our exponential equation, and if we solve the right hand side, we get a negative number. But exponential equation must be greater than 0, so we cannot use this case. Now look at this. Here we use our exponent property, which is, as we know, b raised to the power n is equal to a, and this is equal to n is equal to log a with base b. And if we apply this property on this value, then we get a x is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 with base 2. And this is the real answer of x in our question, and we have done. Thank you.